How to clear Microsoft Store cache in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear the Microsoft Store cache in Windows 11. So this can help fix issues like slow loading, app download errors, or store not opening properly. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, click on the Windows icon and after that, click on the run box and type in command WR reset and then press enter. And after that, a black command prompt window will briefly appear and then the Microsoft will automatically open. This means the cache has been successfully cleared. And here, if the WR reset doesn't fix the issue, you can try resetting the store app manually. So here, just open the settings app and here inside the settings, just click on the search bar and search for install apps and simply click on it from the result. And now here, once inside the install apps, simply search for Microsoft Store and after that, simply click on System Components. And now here in this section, simply search for Microsoft Store and once you have located it, simply click on three dots next to it. And here from the pop-up menu, simply select Advanced option and after that on the new page, simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as Reset. So simply click on that and confirm it by clicking on Reset again and that's it. By doing this, your Microsoft Store cache will be cleared. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.